Hi, Gareth here from Port Monkeys, and we're on the Sapphire Princess Deck 5 in the Piazza. And this is the Piazza, and there's a group performing here. Look around. So, we have good spirits here. We have the International Cafe where you can get specialty coffees. They cost money. The food is free though. Hi. The art gallery. Dust in the wind. All we are is dust in the wind. Alfredo's Pizzeria. With only 2 people in there. This is the Vines Wine Bar. With only 2 people in there, not counting him. There are 5 main dining rooms on board. And this is one of them. Vivaldi. And it looks like that. Hi. And then over on the other side will be the Savoy. Gotta move quick here. And they got the lights off. Here's the Savoy. Remember, I got an 8-minute limit. So we're gonna go up these stairs. This is the midship stairwell. And I'm gonna go up and up and over to the port side. Well, this is the Pacific Moon. We're not going in there because they've got the doors closed. And over here will be the Santa Fe dining room. And we can get to look in there. The last dining room is in the very back of the ship on deck 6. Of course, we're on deck 6. And it's the international dining room, and it's twice as big as any of these. So 4 little ones, 1 big one. The Shops of Princess, they're closed because we're in Cabo San Lucas today. This is guest services, and these people are very helpful. More Shops of Princess. This is the casino, and of course it's closed because we're in port today. Doesn't stop people from coming in. Three minutes. So we're gonna go up. Oh. Shore Excursion, Captain's Circle. By the way, across the way is the library and the Future Cruise people. And yes, the ship has a library, it has books. Not a lot, not very big, but it looks about like that. Let's go up to 7. We're just about at the halfway point. There is a Mexican folklore show going on. So you're not going to see the theater very well. But I am going to go right here so you can see it. The theater. Now, we're all the way forward, so we're going to head out. So right there you can go outside, walk around the promenade. You can get all the way around on the ship, although forward you have to walk upstairs to deck 8. Here's a bar that's never open. 5. Just when I'm leaving here, we play progressive trivia in here. They do have a dance floor. They do have music at night. I guess it's open at night. I just never go in there at night. Now we're in the upstairs of the Piazza. Another shop. Crooners. Crooners people. Princess Cruises the Love Boat. coming to Explorers. I think they're playing trivia.
I will tell you, if you have team members, it gets stronger. It's more knowledge. You can cover entire category of a question. Let's do it, everybody.
Get that.
Ta-da. Question number 1. Who directed
Steven Spielberg.
Lost Riders of the Lost Ark and E.T.?
Who doesn't know that?
Easy peasy about the entire
Anyway. This is oceanfront. And there's nobody here today.
Oh, hello.
Bernardo!
How are we doing? Where are you looking?
We are doing a 360 video.
Oh.
So this is the Internet Cafe,
yeah.
and it looks strangely like a restaurant, but it's not.
It might become soon. We're going to dry dock. Remember that?
This, of course, is a restaurant. Italian. Sabatini's Italian Trattoria. And this is the photo gallery.
It's 360, huh? 360. I'll let you go.
That's okay. You're in it. Nobody can avoid it.
There you are.
It's 360. And Club Fusion. And there's probably not anything going on. Oh, well, it's a half hour to 5, and at 5, oh, wet paint. At 5, this, this closes up and becomes a party area for the elite and the platinums. And here's the food. And that looks like Jeff. I've never seen this when it's freshly set up. Anyway, Club Fusion. Now you can get to Club Fusion both sides, but you can only walk the length of the ship on the starboard side. And then down here is the secret bar called the Wakeview Bar. Oh, there's a rope across this part. Now this I haven't seen, and that's a ribbon. But there's the Wakeview Bar, and it's the Wakeview Bar because out those portholes you can see the wake. Hi! So, well, it's about time to wrap up. So from the Sapphire Princess, this is Gareth and Jeff saying, Port Monkey's out. I'll see you in the next port. Bye.